Okay, so we are on the road again. It's day 2 in Seminyak and we are off to meet up with our group for the week. We're doing a tour with Topdeck Travel. We booked this months ago and years ago actually, about a year and a half, and we've been so excited for it ever since. Today we're going to be going to Lembongan Island. We're getting a cruise straight to there and then we're just chilling out on the beach, possibly doing a bit of banana boating. It's going to be sick. This is going to be so awesome, guys. Met up with the group, got snazzy new water bottles, but we've already got our water to go once we're sorted.
In the front to take a photo or what?
Yeah, I'll just jump down there.
To the right.
So what are you going to try?
I'll try this.
What is it?
I don't know. It looks like soup.
It's like fish soup, to be honest. Try it.
I'll try it.
I got the noodles of rice and some kebabs. The iced tea.
These are good.
Very good.
Red rice.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
What soup is this?
Supnya apa nih, Pak? Yeah, vegetable soup.
Vegetable. Oh, good.
Oh, hard.
I know, that's what I was like.
What I need to.
Oh my goodness. VIP bags to the room. Have you ever been treated like that?
Place ever.
Look at that view. So we've got a fancy bathroom as well. Check this out, a shower too. I just turn the lights on. Where's the light switch? Okay, it doesn't have a light. Oh, there. Oh, look at that walk-in shower. Fancy. Fancy. You went above all this stuff as well.
What?
We've got toothbrush.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Toothbrush. It's good for emergencies. A comb.
Comb!
Oh, comb my hair again. I've not combed my hair in decades. Look, mum. Got a razor, sewing kit. We went out and bought a sewing kit, an emergency one. That's good. I mean, things like this are good for like if you forget stuff. I guess it's just a lot of plastic. What's that?
But Bali is actually going to be banning plastic in the next, what is it, 2 years or something?
Yeah.
And we have actually spoke to some of the locals about that who said that although it's like the government are going to start treating the water because just now it's only in hotels that you can drink the tap water. But
there's one place in, what was it, in the big park. It's got treated water, you can drink from it, so they're going to be bringing it across, so it's got a public service for treated water, which is fantastic news.
Yeah.
And they're going to be overtaking a lot of Western countries in the sense of plastic free, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Too bad they're checking out at 7 AM. So it's been a proper chill day. We've just been sitting around catching up on some work, watching the rain fall because it's been gorgeous. So nice and chill. We're going to go down and catch the sunset and then we're just going to hang out with the rest of the crew and have some dinner. We're going to have some super noodles before we go down.
Yeah, we're trying.
Because it's a bit cheaper. And then we're going to go and catch up with everyone else. Running late as usual, guys.
Scoffed down these super noodles. Burnt our tongues.
So good. Gemma Smith, isn't it?